I think there's three major waves of AI, and the first one was around machine learning. We actually have a machine learning module in our offering. It's basically taking data that you've collected from equipment over time, building a model, checking the quality of that model, and then having that model predict what is going to happen, right? So this comes into play for like really complex operations. We worked with a customer once that was using a coding process for an implantable device, and it was really similar to chemical vapor deposition. And it took an hour or more to run through the coding process. But the problem was you had no idea about the quality that you were producing until after the process was done. So you had no idea if you needed to tweak the pressure or tweak the density or whatever you needed to do. They had one person that ran the coding area of their operation. He retired, and after that, the quality went downhill fast. They actually brought that person back on, but that's an area where machine learning can come into play, because the machine learning can, in essence, replace that guru, right? The machine learning would understand what's happening in real time that's going to produce good quality parts versus bad quality parts, and then give you suggestions on what you need to change to make the good quality parts. So that's the first wave. The second wave is more along generative AI, things like large language models, things like that. The last wave, and this is probably the most recent wave, is around agentic AI and also AI agents. Agentic AI can actually start to solve problems for you. You might, if you've looked at ChatGPT or other ones, there's like a reason button or think button, and it usually takes a little bit longer for it to kind of contemplate, but you can see its thought process. So that's agentic AI. AI agents, on the other hand, they take information based upon what they tried to do to solve a problem, and they refine it, and they refine it, and they refine it, and they keep getting better.